Hello students, now we will discuss the next tool that is called healing brush tool. So healing brush tool also is a very good tool. Like here we can see still we have three small pimples here. So we can select an area from image, like press and hold alt and click anywhere on your image. Like if you think like this part of the image will perfect here, like if you press and hold alt and click here and then click on the pimple, see that part will appear here, and Photoshop will also remove these. So this we can use for this purpose, this tool. For example, even if I select this part and then see, if we click here, see this will be there. So easily we can make something like here also. If I click here, so we can see sometimes it merge with the image. So in after few lectures I will explain about the clone stamp tool in details. When we can't use healing brush tool for this purpose, then we can use clone stamp tool. It's same like that, like we can create something like this. So this I will explain after a few lectures. So right now we are talking about healing brush tool. So healing brush tool, as I explained, we can use for this purpose. Thank you very much for watching.